Hi students, welcome to Aryabhata Maths World Hebba. Today we are going to learn about 8th standard lesson properties of real numbers. So, all of you know that what is real numbers. The sign of real number is R. So, there are in properties of real numbers there are 3 types. The first one is commutative property, second one is associative property, third one is distributive property. Today we are going to learn one by one. The first one is commutative property. What is commutative property for addition? Changing the order of addends, addends means number, does not change the sum. See here, the example is given 2 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 2. 2 plus 3 is how much? 5. 3 plus 2 is how much? 5. 5 equal to 5. 4 plus 7, 11 equal to 7 plus 4. 4 plus 7 is 11, 7 plus 4 is 11. Means changing the order of any numbers with interchange the order, the sum is always same. This is called commutative property for addition. So, the formula for that commutative property for addition is a plus b equal to b plus a. This is the formula for commutative property for addition. Next we move to the another one, that is called commutative property for multiplication. So, changing the order of the factors does not change the product, means if you multiply it, change it order, 3 into 6 equal to 6 into 3, 3 6 are 18, 6 3 are 18, the value is same. Same type 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 is 10 equal to minus 2 into 5, that is minus 10, minus 10 equal to minus 10. Changing the order which will not change the answer, that is called commutative property for multiplication. The formula for that commutative property for multiplication is AB equal to BA. Next we move to the associative property. What is associative property? Associative property for addition. Changing the grouping of the addends does not change the sum. Addends means numbers. See here, the example is given. The first one example, 5 plus 2 bracket complete plus 3 equal to 5 plus bracket 2 plus 3. 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, same type. First we have to do bracket, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 equal to 10. Same type, 4 plus bracket 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 4 plus 3 is 7 bracket equal to 4 plus 1 bracket complete plus 2, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. So, this answer is also 7, this answer is also 7. Therefore, changing the order, it does not change the sum, that is called associative property for addition. The formula for associative property for addition is a plus b bracket plus c equal to a plus bracket b plus c bracket complete. This is the formula to find the associative property for addition. Next we move to the associative property for multiplication. Associative property for multiplication is as well same. Changing the grouping of the factors does not change the product, means same how we have to done in addition, same type here also done in associative property for multiplication. See here, 2 into bracket 5 into 3 equal to 2 into 5 bracket complete equal to 3. 5 3 is how much? 15, 15 into 2 is 30 equal to 2 5 is how much? 2 5 are 10, 10 into 3 is 30, 30 equal to 30. Same type 4 bracket 1 into 2, 1 into 2 is 2, 4 2 is 8 equal to 4 into 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 equal to 8 equal to 8, LHS equal to RHS. This type you have to find associative property for multiplication with changing the orders, the answer will be not change. Next we move to the formula for associative property for multiplication is a into b bracket complete c equal to a into bracket b into c. Next we move to the third property, that is called the distributive property. Multiplication distributive over addition. Here both we have to use multiplication and addition, both we have to use for distributive property, that is see here 3 into bracket 2 plus 5, that is 3 into 2 and also 3 into 5. 3 into 2 plus 3 into 5. So, what is the value? So, 2 plus 5, see here if you do 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 3s are 21, here also same type, 3 2s are how much? 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 6 is 21, both the value will be same. This is called distributive property for multiplication distributive over addition, both will we have to use it. So, the formula for the distributive property is A into bracket B plus C, that is A into B, same type A into C equal to, that is A B plus A C. This is the distributive property for multiplication over addition. So, already we have learned all the three properties. The first one is commutative property, second one is associative property, third one is distributive property. Students, I think all of you understand these three properties. These three properties are very basically needs about the real numbers. I think all of you understand it. Okay, if you any difficulty, you will ask me. Okay, thank you once again.